folks. It's Doc from Smoking Gunworks. My sidekick Keegin. We're here today to talk to you about Illinois rifle firearm regulations. There's a lot of controversy on what rifles are legal to use in Illinois and which ones are not. This will be posted on our website, and it will show you all the legal cartridges that can be used in the state of Illinois for deer hunting. So we don't want anybody in trouble. That's why we're doing this. The new legal ones are going to be examples like a 350 Legend, a 400 Legend, 44 Magnum. What we don't want you to do is to go out with your 30-06, 270, or a 30-30. These are neck cartridges, and you can see they're quite a bit different than the straight wall cartridges, and these will get you in a lot of trouble. So we're here to help and hopefully avoid that situation. At the amount of cartridges, it was a little bit surprising. Some of them are even old elephant gun type of firearms or cartridges that you can use in the state. Mm-hmm. So Keegan's going to show you how to render your bolt action or lever action legal in the state of Illinois, because they all have to be a single shot configuration.
It can be as simple as buying a single shot firearm, whether it's a break barrel or a falling block type rifle or anything like that. There's a whole new wave of these things coming out in these straight wall cartridges. Mm-hmm. A lot of people might already have a lever gun. We've got a 4570, 1886 here.
Well, there are a lot of them that are used even in cowboy action shooting. Right. You know, you can use them for a deer rifle too, as long as it's a straight wall cartridge that you're going to use. And we have an example here, like you said, of a lever action. This one with the magazine tube in here, we can use something like a dowel rod.
A lot of you guys might already own a lever action type firearm in a caliber that's already predetermined to be legal in Illinois. A lot of your bolt actions are going to be in like the calibers we talked about, 308, 243, 270. A lot of lever guns out there in 30-30. Unfortunately, we can't use those yet in this state, but 4570, 44 Magnum, 357 Magnum, like I said, those are going to be more common than your lever guns. Plugging a lever gun to make it a single shot is as simple as plugging the magazine tube. If you have a box magazine fed lever gun, you're going to want to get something like a plug, or at least remove the magazine. But yeah, we just take a simple wooden dowel, like a 5/16 or 3/8, cut it to length so you've got a little bit of room, but not enough for a full cartridge, maybe a ½ inch of room. Bolt gun, like we said, a lot of the common ones that are coming out in the straight wall cartridges are coming with single shot sleds that are available from the companies. There's also some aftermarket and third party stuff coming out for other bolt action guns. And then single shots. There's a whole new kind of resurgence of single shot carbines, straight wall cartridges, 44 Magnum up to 4570, 444. A lot of stuff kind of all power ranges. But yeah, so we get asked this all the time, and we get a lot of people that are hopeful to hunt with their grandpa's 30-06 or their 30-30 they've had for 20 years.
Yeah, sorry, we can't let you do that. We don't want you to wind up in jail. Another neat trick on these bolt actions is you can literally hunt with them in a straight wall cartridge without any magazine at all. As long as it is a single shot only and you cannot use a follow-up shot, you're legal to use it.
Correct. Yeah, these Savage Axis, Ruger Americans, to name a few, they're a wide variety, almost any straight wall cartridge within reason that you can think of. The industry's kind of jumping on this. And it's not just Illinois, it's a few other states now too. Exactly.
And they're great hunting rounds too. The 350 Legend, I used that last year, very successful hunts.
Yep.
We want you all to be out there, have a safe deer hunting experience with a straight wall cartridge rifle, not a tapered one.
Correct.
So thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon.